Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0 for my dear audience. In this video, I will describe some different and much beautiful ideas of scrap wood project or scrap wood different craft and design. Dear audience, when we talk about a scrap wood project, scrap wood craft, or scrap wood design, then different question arise in our mind, like is what is a introductive process of a wood, or what is a scrap timber, or what is a scrap wooden project, zombie, what is a scrap wood. Different question arise in our mind. Dear audience, in real, uh, a wood is sometimes defined as only the secondary xylem in the stems of trees, or more broadly to include the same type of tissues elsewhere, such as in the roots of trees or shrubs. So, in a living tree, it performs a support function, enabling woody plants to grow large or to stand up by themselves. But special in my video, I prescribe a scrap wood project. uh, for different purpose we can use it, for different beneficial purpose, or for different economical purpose, or different social purpose. For any anniversary we can use it, and different designs, different crafting, like as a wall decoring, or different functions we can use it as a decoring, or for showing a beautifulness we can use it. Dear audience, in that, in my video, scrap timber also we can use wood reclaimed primarily from old structures, such as old building, bridges, and other sources. Post-industrial reclaimed, so wood reclaimed from the waste produced by wood processing and manufacturing, such as smaller thin scrap material from furniture manufacturing. So, what is scrap wood in uh, project Zomboid? Scrap wood or chunk of wood that can no longer be used for crafting. It is only for beautifulness purpose we can use it. Scrap wood is production waste from sawmills, carpenters, workshops, or furniture factories, and untreated wood, offcuts from building sites. So, scaffolding, planks, struts, used would include wooden building pots and wooden materials such as wooden packaging, crates, pallets, but also wooden furniture, especially wooden furniture. So, wood is an organic material with fibrous, heterogeneous, and anisotropic texture produced from the tree, which is a living organism. So, wood is one of the oldest building materials. Humankind uses wood for sheltering and protection purpose since the ancient times. So, wood is a natural and renewable raw materials and place, because in my video especially prescribe is a scrap wood furniture, scrap wood, other different beautifulness materials, like as a table, a chair making a wood stump, and especially tables in, we can use it in a different purpose in a restaurant or other beautifulness purpose. I can use it. Dear audience, because using a wood reduce the release of carbon dioxide back to the atmosphere, and other different, but it especially I use for decoration purpose. We can also give a gift from my dear audience, from my dear audience, guys, a special making procedure, a special making design, a special design for my dear audience. I prescribe really. So, dear audience, I welcomed in my video, and I think that my video is much inspired, and I try my best for my dear guardians. Wouldn't make things arts. I also prescribe. So one my dear guys questioned me that what are names of scaffold? We claimed lumber is sold under a number of names such as antique lumber, distressed lumber, recovered lumber, upcycled lumber, and other. So it is often confused with salvage logging also. So how do you treat scaffold? There are four major steps to comprehensive reclaimed wood treatment. Prepare wood preparation involves stripping the timber for prior treatment as well as sanding and repair procedure. So as preserve, fully clean the wood with biocidal calendar and cylinder and apply an undercoat wood preservation preservative to protect against the woodworm and root. So as a third, we can say that in a set stain also. So can you sell wood for scrap? Did you know you can sell or recycle lumber depending on its condition and type? Getting rid of that old fence or wall studs does not have to be a chore, and you may even make a few bucks. So old baseboard, window frames, and cabinetry are a few examples of wood you will want to unload from your to-do list. So how do you get wood in a scrap mechanic? Uh, the scrap wood block is a block that can be harvested from trees by breaking them down and refining the dropped logs, yielding 10 scrap wood blocks or 5 or 5. Uh, but where is the scrap yard project zone? It is in western part of the town. If you found the police station or the gas station or before go west from there, you can follow the road. Once you take a turn southward, follow it, and you should pass by the junkyard or. So, what is a scrap process? And my dear guys, question me. The process of product scrapping typically involves identifying the faulty or substandard products and segregating them from the acceptable ones and disposing of them in a responsible manner. So, scrap products may be recycled, reused, or sold as raw material or spare parts. So, what is a scrap product? Because a scrap consists of recyclable material, usually metal, leftover from product manufacturing and consumption, such as parts of vehicle, building supplies, and surplus material. Unlike waste scrap has a monetary value, especially recovered metals and non-metallic material are also recovered for recycle. So, what is scrap items? Question one, my dear guys. Question me. And broken, discarded, or rejected item or parts for use as raw material or in reprocessing as old metal that can be melted and reworked. The two of them drive around collecting scrap to sell. So, dear audience, if we talk about five things made of wood or what are advantage and disadvantage of scrap wood, So, for example, they can offer advantage such as greater strength and stability and uniformity and versatility. However, they may also have some drawbacks such as lower fire resistance and also greater sensitivity to moisture and reduced environmental impact also. What is wood and its advantage and how do you spell scrap wood? Wood that is scrap leftover ornament of wood. So what is valuable wood called antique wood, which we can use in different manners and different etiquettes. So wood that was first harvested 10 and 100 10 to 100 plus years ago and likely used in construction at that time, likely being used for a new career as a mantle, beam or flooring. So how do you stain scrap wood for making different beautiful old stump? How you can make different things. So sand the wood or start by sanding your unfinished wood with 120 grit sandpaper, being sure to sand in the direction of the grains and stir your stain and apply the stain and wipe off excess stain and let the wood dry before applying a sealer and next we clean up in a different manuals and different categories and different settlement. How do you clean a scaffold? Try mixing a weak solution of water and dishwashing soap. Dip a soft cloth in the solution, wring it out. For making these beautiful old stump, we can make different things uh, by cleaning of woods. So dip a soft cloth in the solution, wring it out, and wipe the entire piece. You want a damp cloth, not a wet one. So don't saturate the wood and rinse your cloth often. So, dear audience, I think that my video and my these beautiful ideas inspired you much. If inspired, then subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video with your affectionate love. So, thank you very much, guys, with your best flower. Thank you.